This is really the last cold of the year. 찬이야, 아빠 간다. You hear him, dude? He's like, 이거 뭐야? He's like, what is this? What is this? What is this? How am I gonna do this when he's like, can talk really well, you know? And then when he can ask why, holy shit. Can you imagine what is this? Why? Yeah, dude. What is that? A rock. Why? I think he's choosing to go the hard way. Like the time we went on a hike, remember that shit, dude? Alright. Damn, bro. This really is the last cold, though.
It's gotta be, right?
It has to be. Let it snow. Let it snow. If I think of myself as a leader, I'm one of those leaders that don't care about having to work with my comrades. There's no right way, though. Some leaders know how to find the answers. Some leaders know how to just bring in money. Some leaders know how to manage people.
Yeah.
And some leaders just, get in the thick of it with people, you know? There's no wrong answer. There's no right answer. Like, I was talking to Song yesterday.
Yeah.
He was, like, asking me questions about the code and stuff.
Yeah.
And he was like, can you, like, just guide me and show me, you know? And I was like, yeah, I think sometimes I have an issue where I, like, once I get rolling, I just, like, try to do it all, you know?
Yeah.
A little bit of a control freak sometimes, but
Yeah.
gotta fix that. 찬이야, 우리 가자. Look at him, dude. 찬우, 여기 하야. 찬이 아빠한테 던져. 아빠한테 던져. 아빠한테. Dude,
Oh my god, bro.
he's really good, right?
That,
Dude, I got a fucking haircut yesterday.
Did you? Are
Dude,
you sure?
I don't know what it was, but it was like 25 bucks. It was a rip-off, dude. And
Bro, you look the same.
I know, I just told her, like, can you just trim it, you know? Because my hair is getting split ends and stuff. She basically cut like a millimeter of hair, dude.
What the heck?
And washed my hair. Ow. Or wash my hair and do that, but look at that dad or grandpa with his granddaughter. Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
Yeah, this one's supposed to be good too, anyway, right? Bye.
I was like watching shorts yesterday, you know?
Yeah.
Fuck, doom scrolling before I go to sleep. And
Oh no.
there's like this fucking video of this football player named Marquise Goodwin. So this guy's story, bro, it's like, he's on the San Francisco 49ers. He's a wide receiver, super fast guy. Basically, he has a sister that he takes care of, who's like special needs, you know?
Oh shit.
And I don't think they really have parents, so he's like the legal guardian or something. So he has that parent type of like personality, you know?
Yeah.
And then like he gets married and shit, right? And his like wife gets pregnant, and at fucking like 19 weeks or something, she has to give birth, like emergency, you know? Because it's supposed to be 40 weeks, bro.
Oh.
But it came out 19 weeks, so super small.
Wow.
And the kid, he lived for like a little bit, but then he passed away in like within like a couple hours, you know? So everyone has battles, you know? But the fucking thing is like, he didn't want to play the game because it was on a game day, bro. And then he went and played a game
Holy
during all that because like the wife was like, your son wouldn't want you to miss the game, you know?
Oh my god. Yeah.
And he fucking played an amazing game, dude, for his son.
He did it.
But like the thing is, like the moral of the story is like everyone has battles, you know? That fucking person that was an asshole to you, it's not like they're an asshole to you. It's like, why are you being an asshole? Battles, bro.
Battles, man.
But imagine that, dude. Like, I mean, your battle, dude, you know? You got like that flower shop, you got the grandma, dad, you know what I mean? We all got battles, you know?
We have something. We all have something.
Everyone has battles. Like me, you know, like whatever it is, right?
Yeah.
Everybody that's walking down the street, you know? Everyone has their own battle, you know? Everyone's got something depressing, but everyone got something to be happy for too, on the other side too, so. Like, I don't know, like I always have like these special memories that I lock in my head that keep me moving forward, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
These little like glimpses, like memories of like happiness or something. It's like, dude, it could be this good again, you know? And everyone has good shit and bad shit. It's a balance. But, you know, we got the let feel shit going on. you know, you can only move forward.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like that fucking wide receiver guy, dude.
Yeah.
The next day he had that game on no sleep, and he was just like, let's move forward, you know? And I mean, think about the good shit he has, you know? He has a good sister. He has a good wife, you know? So I became a developer after the age of 30. If you have any battle you're going through, just let us know in the comments. Try to get a conversation started. Even like reach out to Minnie or me one-on-one on Discord. I try to get back to everyone. Not saying like people don't care or whatever, but I try to listen and try to care, you know? I think we do.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, leave a comment, like, comment, share. It really helps. And let's help each other. Hey everyone, I've got some seriously exciting news to share with you today. I'm hosting my first ever live masterclass this Thursday at 8:30 p.m. EST. I'll show you how to land a $100,000 plus tech job in 6 months, even if you have zero experience. This isn't another generic learn to code webinar that leaves you with more questions than answers. I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal the exact system that took me from being a 30-year-old English teacher to becoming a $300,000 plus senior developer. This is the same proven system that's helped so many of my members break into tech and start earning 6 figures without expensive boot camps or spending years getting a CS degree. I'm going to share my AI-proof code to cash method that makes coding simple for everyone. The shocking truth about why 67% of bootcamp students never actually get hired, and exactly how you can position yourself in the successful 33%. The 3-step interview technique that's helped my students land 6-figure roles at companies like Amex in just 90 days after starting from zero. How to build the kind of applications that make employers fight to hire you. Practical strategies to protect yourself from the great AI displacement that's already happening. Now, if you've ever caught yourself thinking, I'm too old for tech, or I'm not smart enough, or I don't have the right background, I've seen firsthand how my approach works for people from all walks of life. Former teachers, retail workers, stay-at-home parents, and career changers in their 40s. Registration is limited to 50 attendees. And based on the incredible response my content has been getting lately, this is going to fill up fast. You can register with this link. Feel free to share this with anyone you know who deserves better than a dead-end job. I did like add song, add Paradoxo.
We just add full stop.
Alright. Hey, what's up? What's up?
Good. What are you doing?
Oh, we walked through the snow and stuff, so it took a little bit longer than I thought. But I like your front
It's
camera.
still snowing?
I like your front camera a little bit. A little bit.
Dude, her headset is sick.
Is it? Should I get a headset too? All right, what about
The
this?
streamer.
How does this make me look like a streamer?
You need the little
guess-
thing like that's what
The
past the
little
mic.
thing,
Yeah, that thing right there. Yeah.
the microphone thingy.
All right, so I left you off some tasks. Let's check them over, but I've been so swamped. I didn't review Gabe's code yet. You guys want to do it together?
Hey, who's late?
All right, I'm sorry, dude. You're right. It's my fault.
We
It's my
can't say
fault. It's
nothing,
my
dude.
fault. It's my fault. So I went to this sandwich place, and in Korea, like the marketing thing is like when there's like a line outside. But I realized why this place has a line outside, because the guy's so fucking slow.
He's
not
so slow.
Git checkout, Gabe, profile stack, git status, git add, git commit.
I need you to help me with the admin panel thing. There's
Okay.
just one thing.
Okay, let's do
One
that.
thing.
Let's do that after this review, and then we'll
Okay.
let's do that real quick. So, what has changed? Let's check out what he did. Get started. Hey, what's up, Gabe?
What's up? How's it going, guys?
Hey.
Good. I definitely forgot to. I didn't forget,
What's
bro.
up?
No, dude, I just like the mustache, bro.
I've always been a programmer, dude. All right, so I pulled your branch, Gabe,
Okay.
and I just pulled the development branch into here so I don't get any merge conflicts. All right, and then if I look at this, let's social mobile, and I look at the pull requests, I'm excited. So did you change a lot of things?
You didn't have me assigned, but it was the React image cropper image picker, something
okay.
like that. I'm still working on that.
Okay, no problem. Can you actually work? So can you work on that on a different branch once this is merged?
No, I'm gonna do it on
Okay.
a different one. Yeah.
Looks really pretty. Good job, Gabe.
Thank you.
Dude, look at this, dude. This is sick, dude. Look. So this is.
Let me see this on camera. Dude.
So this is this is Gabe's work. Look. So he made that profile screen.
Yeah.
Right, and then he added this. It looks nice. It looks pretty, right?
Yeah.
So let's review the code a little bit and make sure that he followed the rules. So I'm gonna go to settings screen. You have the main wrapper. You have a view, and you have this styles. That's a. So you pass in the theme and the dot container. That's really cool, Gabe. I never thought about doing this. Do you see how you already have an import React Native here, Gabe? On line 2, if you look at my screen. I want to keep the code a little consistent, so I'm just gonna add this code here. Is it okay?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. If you don't put the width to 100%, does it mess up?
No.
I don't think it's necessary, right?
No, we don't need it. Yeah.
And is the padding really necessary at this point in this view, or is this view even necessary? And then if we just add that padding, right?
Didn't the buttons just go like out now? Or
Yeah, no, you're correct. But why don't we just add the style equals padding to the parent? Is that not okay? Do you like this touchable opacity feedback thing? Because we have to make a decision right now. Like, do you like touchable opacity, or does it feel good when you know that something's being pressed and it gives you feedback, or when you press it and it just goes? You know what I mean? I think a lot of apps don't use the opacity anymore, and they just have a without feedback kind of thing. I mean, it's up to there's no wrong answer. It's just if you like it or not.
Yeah, I've been basing everything off of like Instagram, and I think Instagram does it. You see it for like so little. You see it for like a second, like a millisecond, and then it goes to the page.
Yeah.
The setting you're changing.
Exactly. So it's I think it's just a decision we're making right now. Like, do we like this kind of feedback, or we're all going to just, whenever we make something pressable, we're gonna use one, like, because there's something called pressable too.
Mm-hmm.
That just makes something pressable, and it has no feedback. I think that's a decision for the designer, but the designer's taking so long. I think we might need to push back a little bit more for like one more month until we release, because it's taking a little bit of longer time. That's up in the air. Everybody, do you like feedback or no feedback?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I prefer feedback. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go with the touchable opacity kind of thing then, for now. Okay. Because we have a button component, right, inside of atoms. How does that look? It's not. I don't think it's gonna look. I do want you to get used to using, if you're gonna render stuff in an array, there's something called flash list or flat list. It has like lazy loading built in and stuff like that. So like it only like loads up the stuff that's on the screen, and it loads as you scroll. But I mean, I don't think this is a big deal because it's only 4. But I do want to take advantage of that as much as possible. And there's something called flash list that's really good, made by Shopify. I think it's in the code anyways. And I think I will make a component to render these kind of list things, just to keep consistent with the rest of the code, because I don't think we do anything like this anywhere else.
Bottom there.
Yeah, I don't think we're doing this. Yeah, because I don't like to use that style sheet styles on the bottom as much as possible. I like to just make components so we don't have so much freedom. Maybe there's only going to be one kind of touchable opacity kind of thing. Maybe there's only going to be one kind of button. Like maybe there's only going to be like a couple kind of text. And as much as we can like make those into components, I feel like we don't have to write these custom styles everywhere. But that's I mean, it's like what you did is amazing actually. I'm actually going to steal that piece of code. I'm going to use it in my other code. Like, because if we started doing things that way, I would have been totally fine. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Before they log out, it shouldn't log out so easy. There should be like a pop-up that says, hey, are you sure you want to log out? You know?
Okay. Yeah.
And you can achieve that with the modal. I think I showed you how to use a modal last time, or the overlay.
Yeah.
But
yes.
I feel like you can make something a little bit better than that, like that follows some kind of, that's more customizable. Like, just like a white pop-up. I think we can use overlay. let's just stay a little bit more consistent. I think.
Yeah, with the styles. Yeah.
Because actually, what you're doing here is there's another way to do it, but right now we're just kind of forcing it to kind of use the theme with the hook. But there's something called an HOC, which is a higher order component. I want you to read about it. There are functions that wrap your components, and if you make like with theme, so if you actually like look here inside of the documentation, there's something called with theme, right? You see this? So that's exactly what you created your own little wrapper on the style, but that's actually your custom component, and you pass in with theme, and then every single component that you have has this theme prop already with it, right? So one example of a higher order component I explained to Song yesterday is it's a function that wraps a function to be called later. Does that make sense at all? Yes, Jocelyn.
For the Let Social Admin panel,
Yes.
we're only working on the main branch. So you want me to just push it to the main because we don't have like a development branch on there.
Yes, ma'am. Because you're the only worker. The reason why I did this branching strategy is just because we have other developers on here. But if it's just you and me, I think we work on main very well. So it's totally fine. Oh, I decided what computer I want to buy, Gabe.
Oh, which one's that?
I'm gonna buy the 14-inch MacBook Pro M3 Max.
Okay.
Last year's model. I think I can get it for pretty cheap. So that's, and I realized since I'm running Xcode so much and all these emulators and stuff, and I always leave them turned on, I don't think it's gonna be an error is gonna be good enough for me.
Yeah. No, that's true. I think the error.
Oh, you're on Let Social.
Again.
You're on Let Social Admin, right?
Mhm.
All right.
Let Social Admin. That's where I'm at. It's Let Admin panel / Let Social Admin main.
Yeah, because right now I see Paradoxa removed molecular services.
Yeah, that was
Paradoxa
from the
added,
last time.
added auth provider, added provider. I see some stuff, but
But not recent right now, right?
yeah, I think wait. Is it in your code?
Yep.
It is?
Okay, let's see. I'm pushing it.
So right now you're at this point, right?
Yeah. So.
All right. So let's check this out because you're trying to find users somewhere. So I think
data provider.
in the data provider, it's API URL resource params ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. In the users list, where are you adding that users?
Is that?
So you're using this en on es, and the resource name is users, right? I think it's because it's. Let me take a look. It's almost the same exact thing, but that's coming in now. It's coming in correctly, and now you have to match. So now you have ID, name, email, right? So now inside of users list, you have ID, which actually should be underscore ID, I think.
Yeah.
So now we can see when they're created at and updated at. This is kind of like the view that we want, right? Where that user happens, and then keep working. And I think you're on that path to getting it done. It is not like super pressing, but I just that's why I think it's a good task. And like I mean your task is to understand this and try to make this easy to understand. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, yes.
I also kind of worked on the other I-18 thing.
I saw that.
I-18-9.
I saw that.
Locals.
I saw. So
But I just left it like that because I was like, I need to get the other thing fixed with the users.
Get the other thing fixed because actually the language one is like very low priority, right?
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Booty,
guys.
for joining.
Bye.
I'll give you some tasks. Please look at the Trello and review the code. Please review Phil's social auth. Okay? Booty?
Social auth. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. I'll do that.
Okay, thank you very much. And I'll talk to you soon. All right?
See you guys.
Love you
All right.
guys.
Bye.
Love you guys. Bye. It was good to get the team together and see where everything's at. I think Song still has 2 pull requests that I have to review. Gotta get that done. And then I gotta update the main branch and the stable branch, like I keep saying. And I gotta actually finish some tasks myself.
Yeah.
So hopefully, actually I've been kind of slacking the past couple of weeks, but I think the end of the month is coming. We have to finish this sprint. We have to finish this month strong, so gotta code.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's about it. And thank you for watching. Coding saves lives.